exposing the myth behind Iran's first carrier. Is it power or posturing? Let's break it down. Quick backstory. Iran unveiled a carrier-like ship claiming carrier status. Claim, the Blue Water Reach. Claim, regional deterrence. Reality, converted support ship. Reality, limited aviation capacity. Reality, short range. Reality, no catapults or arresting gear. So it boosts domestic pride, and it boosts propaganda value, but it doesn't change carrier balance regionally overnight. Bottom line, impressive headline. Bottom line, limited operational impact. Bottom line, ambition framed as capability.